Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect and reconnect a car battery and what are the safety instructions around it. So stick till the very end to understand every bit of it. Step number one is to secure your bonnet with the securing pole and also to ensure that your car is turned off and the key is out. Now, step number two is to identify the negative and the positive cable. Sometimes if there's a lot of dust accumulated on this, you might have to do a little bit of cleanup to figure out the positive and the negative cable. Now in step number three, once you've identified which one is the positive and which one is negative, you can start with the negative one first. And you need to remember this order because it's very important to follow this order while disconnecting the battery. So always start with the negative cable first. Now for most of the cars, you won't have to loosen up the nut entirely, but once it's loose enough, you can easily shake the cable around and take out the cable from its connector. Now once you've got the negative cable completely out, you can go ahead and remove the positive cable as well. Now for positive cables, at times there are two nuts which you need to remove, and once you take those out, you can easily remove the positive cable as well. Now after this is done, make sure to put the nut back into place, otherwise there are chances of losing it. Now, step number four is mostly about a situation wherein you need to keep this disconnected for a long time. So ensure that you keep the cables away, strapped away from the battery terminals using a cable tie or any kind of, non-conductive ribbon, etc. So this is quite essential so that, accidentally it does not touch the battery terminals. And when it comes up to reconnecting the battery, you need to go with the positive cable first and the negative cable later on. So this is the opposite of what you did while disconnecting. So while reconnecting, please remember that you need to connect the positive cable first and then the negative one to the battery terminal. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you still have any questions about this process, then you can leave them in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.